For this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn your Lego creation into a direction sheet. So you need to turn on your layers to do that. So you go to Windows, Layer, is your Layers window. And the first thing I'm going to do is create 5 layers because we're going to do 4 or 5. These are your different steps in your project. So let's call this one step 5. These are your steps. So step 4, step 3, step 2, and I'm double clicking on this so I can edit it. Step 1. So the two important things to look at in here is this dot. This dot means that that layer is active. So if I was to go and draw something right now, it would be drawn in this layer. If I pushed number 4, step 4, then anything I now created would be created in step 4. And these over here are the visibility, so we're turning the different layers on and off. So let's keep this active layer 0 for this. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to move these two. So I've clicked on it and then I'm pressing shift with my arrow to get both of them. I go Window, Entity Info, it's information about the entity. It tells you all sorts of interesting things about what I've just selected here. I've selected 2 solid components. There are 2 of these in the model. So now I'm just going to go over here and I'm going to put them in layer 5 like that. And if I go over to here, if you say I turn off layer 5, then they're gone. So I'm going to go over here and select this, like this one and this one, and I want to put these in layer 4. So you can just continue to turn these off to get some idea of what your different steps are going to be. So I'm going to select this one and put this one in step 3. And I think this one and this one will work well in step 2. And I can turn that off also. So what you're going to end up doing is say this is the first step right there. That's step 1. And just take a snip of that, do a screen capture, and then step 2, step 3, step 4, and step 5. So now I can make an entire direction sheet with that one model by just turning on and off layers. Okay? So if you have any questions, call me over. Thanks.